Okay, hello, very good afternoon, everyone. I unmuted you now. Check whether you are able to. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Vallabh, Basta, Yashwant, Klesha, how are you? So let's start. So some more people may join. Let's start. So we talked about in our last class. Any question, anyone, any doubt till in whatever you learned in last few lessons, few lectures? Anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
All good. So last time we were talking about what? We were talking about, I think, this polynomials, right? Today we are going to start a new chapter, linear equation. Pair of linear equation in two variable. If you see the CBSE syllabus. Now tell me, any one of you, what do you mean by linear equation? Anyone? Vallabh, what is a linear equation? Slesha, you want to answer? Yes, please. Yes, please. I think got disconnected. Vallabh.
Equation of degree 1.
Equation of degree 1. It means the highest power of any term having variables is only 1. Correct? Vallabh, can you give me a couple of examples of linear equations?
Hello.
Yes,
Am I
Vallabh.
audible?
You are.
Yeah. So x plus y is equal to 7. Yes.
So that is the example of linear equation. Similarly, if I say 2x plus y equal to 5, this is also linear equation. Why? Because power of each term is only 1. That is known as linear equation. We talked about it earlier. Linear equation. Now we are going to do today simultaneous linear equations in two variables. What does it mean by two variables linear equation, Dhruv? Linear equation in two variables means what?
Equation with two signs like x and y.
Two variables, anything, yeah, x and y, right? Or a or b. 4a plus b equal to 8. So I have one variable a, one variable b. Another example can be anything. 7p minus 3q equal to 0. That also can be. We need two variables. That is called two variable linear equations. Now, obviously, if there are two variables in a linear equation, just by having one equation, we cannot get a unique solution. Correct? You need at least two equations. We need at least two equations to get and to solve the linear equation because of two variables. Three variables, three equations you need. Five variables, five equations you need. That is the basic rule. So suppose if I give you equation 2a or some simplest equation a plus b equal to 8 in a minus b equal to say 2. Both are linear equation? Yes. Two variable equation? Yes. So because they are two variable equation, we need two equations together to solve it. Solution means you get the value of the variables. That is the meaning of solution of equation. We will come to that various method in a later, but point is, if it is two variable equation, you need two equations to get the value of variable. Unique value. Otherwise, you can get anything. For example, why we need two equations? Lesha, can you explain? If I say a plus b equal to 10, if I just have this equation, can I get the unique value of a and b? Lesha?
No, sir, we will get different values.
We'll get many values. For example, if a is 6, then b is 4. 6 plus 4, 10. If A is 7,
5.
then B is, yes, 5 also. Or if A is 0, then B equal to 10. You can get infinite solutions. So that's why if you have to get the unique solution, there must be at least 2 equations. So that is what is a linear equation, what is linear equation in the 2 variable. Correct? If I say write like 2a plus 3a equal to 5, is it a linear equation or not?
It
No,
is
sir. It is,
How
sir.
many variable it has? 1 or 2?
1.
1. 1. Why 1?
So because A,
But this A and this A are different. So still there are 2 variables.
There are two because one is capital and one is small.
Correct. Both are different. As we talked about in algebra is all about symbols. Small A and capital A are different. Still there are 2 variables. So don't get confused with just A, B, C, D. You can write anything. You can write variables in any other language also. It doesn't matter. So this is also 2 variable equation. So there are many ways to solve the equation. Many ways. Ways to solve linear equation. There are many ways. First is graphical way. I'll explain you what does it mean. Graphical method. Second is elimination method. Third is substitution method. Substitution method. Generally, I teach Vedic Maths method also orally. To solve orally. We may not cover on this, but I am saying this is what it is. There can be many more solvers. So, what do you mean by solving linear equation? Yashwant, what is the meaning of solving? Means you have to get the values of
variables.
That is the meaning of solving the equation. So before we go to the solution, there are types of solution. Everybody should know this. Types of solution can be unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. There are 3 categories. Unique solution, you get exactly one solution, unique, infinite. Even for a set of 2 equations, there can be infinite solution. And also there can be no solution. Let's understand the concept of all these 3 or using the graph first. Now tell me everybody, before I start doing this, everybody knows how to draw equation on a graph? Suppose this is your xy plane. And suppose I give any equation, say example, say x plus y equal to 5. When I draw this on a graph, will it be curve or a straight line or what?
No, sir.
Every linear equation would be, you know how to draw or not? We have discussed in our last class, I think so. How to draw.
Yes.
If you draw any equation on a graph, it will be straight line. Let me draw this one. X plus y equal to 5. So I told you, make a table. Make a table and take any 2 values at least. So I'm not going to teach you how to draw because you've done already. I'll just give very quick overview. So let's take any 2 values. Suppose this is my x. This is my y. If you find x equal to 0, y is 5. If I put y equal to 0, x is 5. We can take more values, but that is enough. So how we draw? First point is 0, 5. X is 0, y is 5. Somewhere here. X is 5, y is 0. Somewhere here. You got the 2 points? If you draw this equation, it will be a straight line like this. This is my graphic of equation x plus y equal to 5. why I'm saying that three types of solution: unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. If I give another solution, another equation, say x minus y equal to say 3. We need to draw this also. Let me draw this also just to show you. And then we'll discuss the basic interesting concept of graphing and consistency and
What is
inconsistency.
the meaning of unique solution?
I'm explaining through. So x. So everybody, if I put x equal to 0, y would be minus 3. I'm only explaining the plotting yet. We put y equal to 0, x equal to 3. So if I have to draw this equation on the same graph, see this equation is this graph, correct? Now I'll draw x minus y equal to 3 in this graph, so 0 and minus 3. So let me put a point with red, 0 minus 3. Somewhere it will be here. 3 and 0. Somewhere here. So now I am drawing the equation. My second equation is this. So I'll come to Drew's point. So every linear equation, when you draw on a graph, it will be a straight line, any kind of straight line. Now both the straight line are intersecting some places at only one place, right? Both are intersecting at one place. This has only one, so unique solution means only one solution through. Only one solution means there will be only one value of x and y which will satisfy both the equation. That is known as unique solution.
Oh, so it will be the same value.
Not x and y same value. Only one value of x.
Oh, okay.
I'll explain you when I explain infinite solution, you'll know. So only one value of x and y, not equal value of x and y. For example, here, this is the point coming, right? So this is the solution of this equation. When you do in the graph, you will know that it is 4, that is 1. It means intersecting point is coming at 4, 1, means x equal to 4, y equal to 1. This is the solution of these two simultaneous equation, means unique solution. मतलब एक ही solution है, वो है x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. और कोई भी x का value और y का value डालोगे तो this will not be solved. That is the meaning of unique solution. मतलब कि एक ही solution है, x4 और y1. अगर कोई और set value लेते हैं x और y की, तो this equation cannot be solved. That is known as a unique solution or single solution. Now, graph से कैसे पता पड़ता है? If two lines are intersecting at a one point, ये one ही point में intersect हो रहा है, right? Then it's a unique solution. Unique solution means line will intersect at one point. Clear है? Lines will intersect at one point means they have unique solution. अब लेते हैं infinite solution. Infinite solution कब होगा? Suppose मैं equation देता हूं. Suppose x plus y equal to 5 and suppose 2x plus 2y equal to 10. अब इसका जब तुम ग्राफ बनाओगे, उन्हें कैसा ग्राफ आएगा? I will show you. First you draw x plus y equal to 5. तो कैसा आएगा? Where is that? Suppose x plus y equal to 5 तुम्हारा ऐसा आ गया. Suppose that is your x plus y equal to 5. Listen very carefully. This is x plus y equal to 5. Now I am drawing in blue. Blue I am drawing this one. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. When you draw 2x plus 2y equal to 10, you know how it will come? This will come exactly on top of this. Exactly. उसके ऊपर ही आएगी. ये मेरा, when you draw actually you will get like this. ये है 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So both the lines, what is happening? Both lines are coincident. मतलब एक के ऊपर एक.
So they are
Both lines are coincident. एक के ऊपर एक. In this case, you will say it will have
So all the
Infinite
points
solution.
are the
Solution.
solution.
That's right, you're right. All the points are solution. Infinite solution. मतलब कैसे? You can see, and जैसे कि suppose if I put x equal to one solution can be x equal to 4, y equal to 1. One solution can be x equal to 3, y equal to 2. One solution can be x equal to 1, y equal to 4. One solution x equal to 0, y equal to 5. देखो दोनों equations सोलो. There can be many more solutions because as you said, दोनों line is coming on top of each other. So हर point पे they are touching at every point, right? Or they are touching at infinite points. So infinite solution. जहाँ भी cross होते हैं
Sir,
वो solution हुआ. Yes, please.
in this the line is also going beyond quadrant 1. So will the points of the
Quadrant
other
doesn't matter here.
quadrants?
Quadrant doesn't matter here. Gauri, I just started solving equations. So आज तक quadrant doesn't matter. ये तो मैंने 2 point बनाया है. See, you because the line will be infinite, right? मतलब ये जो मैंने point बनाया है, let me show the line. वो तो हमारे ऊपर है. See, line will be infinite, right? I am not telling you line segment, right? वो तो ऐसा चलेगा चलते आएगा. Suppose if I have made line like this, say this, it can go in quadrant 4, 3, 2, 1 anywhere. It's a straight lines, right? It's not a line segment. Straight line, infinite line. So I'm not talking about that. I'm not
Okay,
worried
sir.
about coordinate at all. I'm worried both the lines are intersecting at one point or both the lines are one above each other. कुछ भी वो. That is known as infinite solution. Because जहाँ जहाँ पे they are touching it, it's a solution. So tell me if one line is above other, they are touching everywhere, right? Each and every point they are touching. So that is the infinite solution. ये हुआ second case. And the third case, suppose मैं ऐसा बनाता हूँ x plus y equal to 7, x plus y equal to 3. When you draw this, Asta and everybody, listen very carefully. When you draw this, क्या होगा? You may get like this, that x plus y equal to 7, suppose you're getting like this. This is the equation for this one. X plus y equal to 3, you may get like this. X plus y equal to 3. So, this is x plus y equal to 3. So, what kind of lines they are?
Parallel.
Parallel lines. Are they touching parallel line, touch themselves? Is parallel line intersect? No, right?
No, sir.
Parallel line never intersect. So, no solution. This kind of equation has no solution. Is it clear? When lines are intersecting, one or unique solution. When lines are coincident, infinite solution. When lines are parallel, no solution. Clear? Now, how to find out that?
Yes, sir.
I'll explain. One thing is to find by graph. I'll repeat. One thing is to find by graph. जो भी lines दिया है, you draw it. If you are getting intersecting lines, it means one solution. If you are getting parallel lines, no solution. If you are getting coincident line, infinite solution. So simple. Graph से पता पड़ जाएगा, right, रास्ता? So intersecting lines. Everybody write this. अगर intersecting lines आ रही है, then it's a one unique solution. अगर आ रही parallel, if I am getting coincident lines, coincident मतलब कि एक के ऊपर एक. Then it is infinite many solutions. And when their lines are parallel, no solution at all. So this is where you can find graphically. This is called graphical way of solving. No, I'll tell you analytically also. And listen carefully, one more thing. If we have one solution or infinite solution, if we have this condition, we call it consistent system. What we call it? Consistent system. मतलब कि the system has some solution, right? Either one or infinite, but solution तो है, right? We call it consistent system. But when there is no solution at all, you call it a inconsistent system. लिख लीजिए. Everybody write down this. मतलब कि system is not consistent because there is no solution. तो एक solution है infinite. In both the case you call it consistent system. But if there is no solution you call it inconsistent system. क्योंकि तुम्हारे पूरे चैप्टर में 9th 10th क्लास में you get these two type of questions. Find out whether it is parallel or coincident or intersecting, or its system is consistent or inconsistent. That is what you have. So that is how graphically. Everybody, any question in terms of graphically? Now I am coming to analytically. Now I am coming to analytical solution by just comparing the ratios. Clear hai? Very good. Now let's write the standard form of linear equation. The standard form of linear equation will be any equation would be ax1 plus b1y. Let me write a1. Acha, one I'll write with the red color.
A1 plus B1
a1x, wait, b1y plus c1 equal to 0. और दूसरा भी लिखता हूँ. I'll copy this and I'll put 1, 2, 3 later. Okay. It's a very important thing. Let me write with red color. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation. Just by seeing that, you can find out कि your solution is unique or infinite or no solution. Very easily. How? Just compare these two ratios. How? If a1 by a2, I'll give example also. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, मतलब if ratio of coefficient of रुको एक मिनट. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, or you can say the ratio of coefficient of variables is not equal, it is unique solution. Understood? I'll give an example also, but ये ratio a1 by a2 equal to b1 b2 नहीं है, then it's a unique solution. But let's try the second condition also. If अगर वो दोनों equal है, then we see the third. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but they are not equal to ratio of the constants, they are not equal to c1 by c2.
No solution, sir.
No solution, because line तो parallel हो गई, तो no solution. Everybody write down. And the last case कि तीनों equal है, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. We'll solve some questions on this. a1 by a2,
Infinite, sir.
correct. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. I'm going to give you a question, everybody will solve. Equal to c1 by c2. मतलब सारे रेशियो इक्वल हैं, मतलब ऑब्वियसली लाइन एक के ऊपर एक, राइट? दैट इज इनफिनिट. वैसे भी दिख रहा है, राइट? सारे रेशियो इक्वल है, मतलब क्या होता है? इनफिनिट सॉल्यूशन. That is how you solve, by only the ratios. Infinite solution. Note down or take a screenshot.
So what is the name of this method?
This is just by ratio. You can directly find out by ratio. So it's just, you can say, analytical way of solving by ratio, just by observing the equation.
Okay, sir.
There is no specific name. You are comparing only the ratios of the equation. Because you're not solving actually the variable value. You're directly seeing that, because you're not getting the solution here. It just say which type of solution is, unique solution. But it doesn't say which solution is, right? What are the values, it doesn't say, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why just to compare ratio to see which type of solution it is.
Also, in this unique solution, C1 by C2 will also be not equal, right?
Does not matter. It does not matter. See, what is C1 by C2? C1 and C2, we are not comparing together C1 is equal to C2 or not. We are saying what is the ratio of C1 by C2 with A1 by B1. C1 by C2 ratio does not matter here.
No, sir, I was telling that only. Like C2 is equal to A1 by A2.
It may be equal, it may not be equal, but it does not matter. That's what I'm telling you, it does not matter. Suppose A1 by A2 ratio is 2. C1 by C2 ratio can be 2 also, no, not 2 also. Does not matter.
Okay, sir.
Now, for example, if I give an equation like this, x plus y equal to 8, and if I give x minus y equal to 4. So tell me, what is A1 by A2 here?
Sir,
What is A1 by A2, everybody? A1
Sir, one
by
upon
A2.
Sir,
1
1.
upon
1 by 1 is A1 by A2 is 1.
1 upon 1.
Because 1 upon. What is B1 by B2?
-1.
1 upon
one
minus
upon
1.
1 upon minus 1 means minus 1. No, C1 by C2 doesn't matter, because ये दोनों A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Equal. Not,
Equal नहीं
not
है
equal.
देखो. Not equal तो unique solution हो गया, right? It's a
Yes, sir.
unique solution. So C1 by C2 हमको जरूरत ही नहीं check करने की. Is everyone understood what we are doing?
yes, sir.
If I give, just you tell me, no, everybody write on the chat which type of solution. If I say 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 4x plus 6y equal to 8. Tell me everybody which type of solution and why. Everybody on chat quickly. Which type of solution it is and why. Dhruv says no solution. Vallabh says no solution. Dhruv, why no solution?
Sir, because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2.
Correct. So what type of line it will be? Will it be parallel, intersecting,
it will
or
be-
coincident?
Parallel lines, sir.
Very good.
Parallel.
Yes. Will the system will be consistent or inconsistent?
Inconsistent.
That's it. So these three things we know: how the lines will be, how the system will be, and what kind of solution. That is more than enough. Superb. No solution? Correct. If I change this 5 to 10, my answer changes or remains same?
So it changes. It will become infinite
Sir, it
solution
will become infinite solution.
and a consistent system.
Okay. Okay. Astha, what do you say?
Infinite.
Because
The ratios are all equal.
ratios, all the three ratios are equal, so infinite. What type of line it will be? Astha.
Sir, coincident where they will lie on each other.
Okay, very nice. Slesha,
Yes, sir. They are infinite
अरे
solution
क्वेश्चन तो
because
पूछा ही
they
नहीं,
are
मैं अभी तो
consistent.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा श्लेषा मैंने. Explain to everybody what do you mean by consistent and inconsistent system in terms of how the line will look like.
Consistency means the solution in which the unique solution as A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, and for no solution A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2, which is inconsistent.
In terms of graph, in terms
Means
of
the
type
path-
of lines, explain Slesha, in terms of
Inconsistent.
line on the graph, consistent कब होगा, inconsistent कब होगा.
Inconsistent means when the lines are parallel, and consistent means when the lines are same or they are intersecting.
Very good. Is everyone CC on this? Let's solve one more question. You have to tell me three things. What kind of line, whether system is consistent, and what kind of solution. Okay, you tell me all the three things. Let me give equations, set of equations. If I give you set of equation from your book, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x. Everybody will write all the three things. Plus 6y equal to minus 22. You have to write consistent or inconsistent. Type of solution and graph. Tell me everybody on chat three things. Iskan says coincident, consistent, infinite. Okay. Dhruv says consistent, infinite, intersecting. अगर infinite है तो intersecting कैसे होगा ध्रुव?
Oh, sir, it will be coincident.
Everybody take your time. Asta says infinite, consistent, coincident. Okay, like that everybody write. Iskandar wrote, Dhruv write again. Slesha says consistent, unique. And Slesha, what kind of graph? Gauri, where are your answers? हाँ गौरी हाँ Vallabh, okay. So is everyone clear? Very easy, right? So first of all 5 and so ratio क्या आ रहा है देखो a1 by a2 आ रहा है a1 by a2 we are getting as -2. Okay, b1
Sir,
by
1 by
b2
2.
you are right minus अगर मैं उसको उल्टा किया but you are right. b1 by b2 is -1 by 2 again and c1 by c2 11 by so
No,
minus
sir, here
4 by
A1 plus and A2 is minus.
no everywhere see na
A1 upon A2 equal to 1 upon -2.
हाँ 1 upon -2 तो -1 by 2 right Slesha
No.
no
Yes.
Slesha ask me what is doubt
Sir, here A1 upon A2 equal to 1 upon -2 ना?
1 upon -2 क्या होता है
हाँ, that is -1 upon 2.
correct
Yes.
good b1 by b2 भी वही है c1 so all three are equal so first of all ये consistent हो गया क्योंकि solution तो है किस टाइप का solution है infinite solution है infinite solution है तो line कैसा आएगा that's it anybody in any confusion or you all are crystal clear on this tell me now I am going to give you little different question let's see how much you understand because if you understand the ratio no it's reverse question everybody sees it very nice so now if I say like this if I give a equation say 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 write another two variable linear equation which form a pair of मतलब कि this equation plus what you write together will form a pair of intersecting lines. Let's see how many can write. So I want another equation which will form pair with this and to form an intersecting line. Tell me. Skan is very fast. Skan understood how to do it. Line should be intersecting. Intersecting होगा तो A1 by A2, B1 by A2, C1 by A2. You know what it should be, right? C1 by C2 does not matter. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 matters. Main thing is A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. That is the main point. Right? Each one of you looks right. Good. If I am changing the question, guys. Stop. Question is changed now. Parallel lines it should show. Now what? Write another line which is paired with this to form parallel lines. Parallel line मतलब क्या होगा?
No solution.
And A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2.
Sir, will not be equal to, sir.
Not equal, right?
Not equal.
Parallel line, those will not meet at all.
Yes, sir.
So will not be equal to
Sir,
C1.
you told all three ratios as equal.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So C1 by C2 will not be equal to other two ratio. X plus y equal minus 7 will not work, Slesha, because we need A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, right? Right, Slesha? Our A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2. So 2x plus 3y का मल्टीपल ही होना चाहिए. तो 4x plus 6y या फिर 20x plus 30y या फिर 8x plus 12y और फिर constant do something other value. Slesha, unmute. Is it clear what I am saying, everybody? Slesha?
Yes, sir.
क्या होना चाहिए? इसका मल्टीपल ही आना चाहिए, तभी तो रेशियो सेम होगा, राइट?
Yes.
If you write x plus y, then x plus y तो रेशियो 2 और 3 हो गया ना यहाँ पे. अगर if I write x plus y, x plus y minus 7, तो स्लेशा रेशियो क्या हो गया? A1 by A2 का रेशियो हो गया 2 by 1 2 हो गया, राइट?
हाँ.
और B1 by B2 का रेशियो 3 हो गया, वो तो इक्वल नहीं आया, राइट?
Yes, sir.
पहले लाइन में इक्वल होना चाहिए, राइट?
Sir, better than that 4x plus 6y minus 7.
हाँ, 4x plus 6y कर सकते हो, या फिर एनी मल्टीपल ले लो. मैंने 5 ले लिया, तो 10x, our choice, 10x, फिर 5 से क्या? 15y.
15y
माइनस पुट एनी कांस्टेंट, बट वो कांस्टेंट
minus it can
40 नहीं
work,
हो, माइनस या प्लस कुछ भी 40 नहीं होना चाहिए बस. एनीथिंग, ये रेशियो C1 by C2 का सेम नहीं आना चाहिए. राइट एवरीबॉडी? नो एवरीबॉडी राइट अनदर इक्वेशन where is don't use the same example of 4x and cy, guys. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me change the question now. 3x minus 4y minus 1, and the lines are coincident. Everybody right? Because I wanted to make sure that everybody is clear on this. Coincident. Tell me what should be the answer?
Well, 6.
Mute. Dhruv says 3x minus 4y minus 1. You wrote the same equation, Dhruv, exactly?
Yes, sir. One by one we can.
It can be. You wrote the same equation. Two equations same.
So it cannot be, sir.
It can be, but it's a very special thing. But because when you write two equations should be different. Though when you simplify, it can become same. You can write that.
Oh, okay.
There is no doubt. There is no problem. But to explain, we always take two different equations. So that's fine.
Okay.
Understand everybody how to do it? Here we need coincident lines, Skand. Matlab, Skand?
Sir, both lines lie on
On
each
other.
other.
Right. So obviously everything will be multiple of each other. So suppose say I multiply 3. So 9x minus 12y
Minus
minus
3.
3. That's it. Now tell me everybody, any one of you has any confusion on this question? This type of question. All CC. Now let's do one or two word problems. How you represent those in terms of no need to solve it, but at least represent in the equation form. Everybody write, use any two variables, but show me equations, and show me two variable equations. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Right, algebraic. Solution I am not doing because we'll do when we solve equation, algebraic expression. Write with two variable algebraic expressions, linear. Any use variable, x, y, a, b, l and b, whatever you want. I want two equation. Shlesha says x minus y equal to 4, x is bigger means, and x plus y equal to 36. Half the perimeter, Shlesha, half the perimeter.
Sir, it will come correct now because
You
perimeter
are
is
right.
2
I am not
times.
saying, no, I am not saying wrong. You are right. I'm just so x plus y equal to 36, x minus y equal to 4.
Then 2x plus 2y is equals to 36 into 2 like that.
You are right, Shlesha. Everybody keep writing your own way of equations, please. Only Shlesha wrote. Wow, others. Shlesha, well done. So
Sir,
fast.
I'm confused in this one.
Why? Asta? तो आस्था ऐसे करते हैं देखिए. Say
Sir, like if the rectangle is half, then will it become a
what, Asta? Say length is L.
Sir, like if the rectangle becomes half, then will it be a square?
Why, Asta? Why we? First of all, no need to worry about square and rectangle. There is nothing. You have to just write the equation. So don't worry about square. It's a rectangle. Okay. It may become, doesn't become depending on what the dimensions are. We are not worried about that. Whether it will become square or not. Okay. It's a length. Suppose I assume length is L and breadth is B. Okay, Asta? Dhruv, focus on what I'm explaining and then ask me any question on that. So length is L, breadth is B. First one it says length is 4 meters more than its width. Length is 4 meters more. So either you can say length is B plus 4. Correct?
So, sir,
Or
length
you
is
can write-
36 meter or
No, Asta. Forget this 36. It says whose length is 4 meters more than its width. So इतना सा statement देखो यहीं तक बस. Asta, just look up to this only.
Okay, sir.
Any rectangular garden, they are saying length is 4 meters more than the width. ठीक है? Dhruv, is this clear? Length is 4 more than the width. Suppose length L है, width B है, so length is 4 more than the width, correct? Agree or not, Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
So my first equation is L minus B equal to 4. ठीक है? Second, Asta, what do you mean by perimeter of a rectangle?
Like all the sides of the rectangle.
Sum of all the sides. So L plus B plus B or 2L plus B. ये होता है perimeter or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, perimeter rectangle means length, breadth. Both the length, both the breadth. Add all 4 together. Or in the short, 2L plus B. 2L plus 2B or 2L plus B, right? It's a half of the perimeter. Half of the perimeter. तो कितना हो गया? So L plus B हो गया. And that is given as 36. ये हमारा second equation है. Second equation is this. First equation is this. कहाँ confusion है बताओ?
Sir, this question is clear, but if there is one more question like this, I get confused.
Let's do it through again. Thrice. The perimeter of
36.
rectangle garden whose length is, wait, 6 meter more than width is say 40. कुछ भी random ले लिया मैंने. ध्रुव बताओ कैसे बनाएंगे इक्वेशन. टेल मी ध्रुव. We'll solve it together. क्या करने वाले हम लोग इसमें? ध्रुव.
Sir,
सबसे पहले एज्यूम करो लेंथ को L और ब्रेथ को भी, ठीक है?
yes, sir.
कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है इसमें तो?
No, sir.
अब देखो, अब हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं ध्रुव? लेंथ L है, ब्रेथ भी है. पहला इक्वेशन क्या बनाओगे? पहला इक्वेशन वो क्या बोल रहा है? लेंथ इज 6 मीटर मोर देन इट्स विड्थ. क्या इक्वेशन बनेगा इससे?
Sir, so
लेंथ इज देखो गाइस, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू कन्वर्ट ए वर्ड प्रॉब्लम इनटू इक्वेशन वर्ड बाय वर्ड. लेंथ इज लेंथ वाला L इज
plus
मतलब इक्वल टू
B, right?
no, I am explaining step by step. Length is matlab equal to, so L equal to 6 more, correct? Then its width कितना है? B. बन गया पहला इक्वेशन.
Yes, sir.
L equal to 6 plus B. कोई डाउट नहीं है?
No, sir.
अब बोल रहा है thrice the perimeter कितना होता है?
2 into L plus B.
ये पेरीमीटर होता है.
Yes, sir.
thrice मतलब
Into 1 upon 3.
नो 1/3 नहीं बोल रहा है. thrice 3 गुना.
Oh,
thrice 1/3 बोलता है गलत. thrice तो thrice the perimeter. ये perimeter 2L plus B उसका 3 टाइम. वो बोल रहा है 40 है. ये बन गया सेकंड इक्वेशन.
so we'll say that it's 6L plus 6B.
अगर उसको ओपन करना है तो 6L plus 6B equal to 40. You are right. वो सिंप्लीफिकेशन है. इक्वेशन बनाना तो शुरू में काम हो गया.
Yes.
ये हमारा एक इक्वेशन हो गया. ये हमारा एक इक्वेशन हो गया. That's it. ठीक है ध्रुव?
Earlier, I used to get like those age questions, like his dad is this much year older.
वो है सारे. सो मेरा एक कोर्स है EM3. उसमें सारा वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को हाउ वी कन्वर्ट. Maybe I will message you, because that way you understand how to split a problem into small parts and make equation. Anybody, so Dhruv, it is very easy, but we have to learn the art of solving question by splitting. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody, any confusion? सबका clear है? How to form equation and get this? We are learning still algebra and linear equations. Superb. Okay, everybody still form one more equation. Oh, where is my battery charge? Okay, 1 second. I forgot today to put. Yes. No, we are good. Everybody form one more equation. I want everyone to write 2 equation in any variables. It says 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost ₹50, and 7 pencils and 5 pens. Actually, we'll make it a two different sentence. 7 pencil and 5 pens together, it's such an easy question. Together cost ₹46. Again, I don't want to solve it. How much 4 pen and 3 pencil will cost? I just wanted to form a equation, guys, nothing else. Everybody write 3 equations. First 2 for the question, third one for the last part of it. Everyone. Okay. So let's start with Slesha. No, Slesha, no, is it? Who want to do this one, coach? First, who will form this equation? One of you.
Sir, can I?
Yes, please.
Here is the pencils we will take as x and the value
Pencils
of
is taking the x, then.
and pens as y.
So, guys, you have to explain like that. Very good, Slesha. So, she has explained a pencil is x, y is the pen. Tell me now.
5x plus 7y equal to
5x plus 7y equal
equal
to
to
50, right?
yes.
Thank you. Second equation, who will tell me? This is plus, guys, okay? Who will tell me second equation? Dhruv, tell me second equation, please.
Sir, 7y plus 5x.
पेंसिल को क्या माना है तुमने?
Oh, sorry, 7x plus.
हाँ, 7x. वो वेरिएबल चेंज नहीं कर सकते. 7x
Read the question wrong.
plus 5y
Equals to 46.
Very good. Vallabh, what would be the, suppose we solve finally. So how will you have formed this equation? Vallabh?
Hello.
Yes, Vallabh.
4x plus 3y.
We have to find out the value of 4x plus 3y. That's it. Once you get value of x and y, we have to find out
3x
4x
plus 4y. 3x plus 4y.
You are right, because pen is y. You are right. 4y, because pen is y. Plus 3x. We have to get finally 4y plus 3x. That is what we have to get it. Once you get value x and y, we'll put it here. So very easy how to solve, how to form the equation. Because tomorrow we are going to learn all solving equation. Elimination method, substitution method, Vedic Maths method, or whatever. That's what we'll go to do. Any confusion, anyone?
Sir, that cross method.
Cross method is almost same as Vedic Maths method. So we can do one of them. Don't worry.
Okay.
We'll do it. We will do it. Let's form another equation. Let's see how many of you can do it. We have covered in my elementary maths 3 course. Many of you attended it. I know Asta attended it. I know some of you attended it. Let's see how many you can form an equation. Write a 2 variable equation. Dhruv, it will be a very good challenge for you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sum of 2 numbers is 7 more than double of first number. कैसे बनाएंगे इक्वेशन? How many we can write this form equation, guys? Sum of 2 number is 7 more than double of first number. I really want you to
Y equal to sir, x plus y is equals to 2x plus 7.
लिख के दिखाओ. I am not solved yet. हम लोगों ने इसमें एलिमेंट्री में सॉल्व किया है बहुत सारा. I'm just helping you to form various type of equations so that it's easy. Algebra become easy. Everybody write down what the equation will be. Sum of two number is 7 more than. तो suppose से दो नंबर हमारे A और B. तो A plus B sum हो गया. Is 7 more is मतलब equal to 7 more. Then double of first number. Suppose first number A माना मैंने. Then that's it. A plus B equal to 7 plus 2 है या x plus y equal to 7 plus 2x. You are right through. Very good. Gauri, yes. So easy, right? Yes, Lesha, you are right. Yes, Vallabh. Too easy. If I say difference of two numbers is 5 less than 1/3 of second number, तब क्या करने वाले हैं? Can you everybody follow this? यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन आएगा थोड़ा सा, I know. So this equation may be valid or not is a different thing, but how we'll solve it? Difference of two number is 5 less than 1/3 of second number. So say two numbers are, चलो x and y use करते हैं इस बार. X minus y. First number is x, second number is y. So is 5 less than 1/3 of second number. This should be the equation. It is not 5 minus y by 3. It is y by 3 minus 5 less than 1/3. Got everybody? 1/3 of second number. So y by 3. Last question. Any confusion on this? Anyone this? See. These are easy ones. I know Skand will know, Asta will know. I have done more difficult question in our EM3. Let's try this. You can use one variable here. How you write equation with one variable here, Vallabh? Gauri, you want to explain, Gauri, this one? Gauri, are you there? 3 times one number. 3 times one number, say one number is A, is equal to 8 more. Then double of the same number. Yes, sir, but my mic gone mad. Mad or bad? Okay. 3 times one number is 8 more than double of same number. That's it. 3x equal to 2x plus 8 or 3x equal to 2x plus 8. Very easy, everyone. Tomorrow we are going to solve elimination, substitution and Vedic Maths method. Okay. Let's see tomorrow. Come on time. I may not set reminder. So, and we start it. Tomorrow we'll complete our polynomial, our this variable linear equation to variable. Okay. Any questions? Anyone?
Thank
want to
you,
say
sir.
anything?
Bye,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.